So we got a quick game, right? You know Simon Says? Everybody know Simon Says? All right, so it's Isaac Says, right? So everybody hold hands, everybody hold hands. Yeah, I know. Now we're gonna introduce ourselves. Introduce ourselves. Make sure you know the name of the person you're holding hands with, so introduce yourself. Look left and right. Do you know the name? What's your name again? Alicia. What's your name?
Scott.
Scott? What's up, Scott?
How are you?
Can we actually, real quick, can we give high fives to the people we're next to? Just a high five and say, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
Just say, what's up? Good morning. We're back to holding hands. Back to holding hands. Now, before I begin, there's a reason to this, right? So, how many of you guys know the Golden State Warriors? Right? Championship team, right? So they did a study a couple years back, right? And it was an amazing study. And the study showed that championship teams, right? What? Say it one more time. What's your name? What's your name? Nicole. Say it one more time, real loud. You had it. I heard it. They touch more often, right? Right? So imagine when Steph Curry goes down and he hits a shot, right after, the next time you see it, he'll hit KD and he'll go, good shot, my man. Good shot, my man. And guess what? When Draymond comes down and he misses the layup, they'll still touch. Next time. Next time. Guess what bad teams do? Guess what bad teams do? They shoot the shot and they go back like this. Don't touch me. Right? So great teams, great organizations, great companies, whatever you do, when you want to be a part of something great, understand that when you touch, you're just reconfirming good energy. I got you. We're in this together. Resumes, interviews, good grades, right? So give more two high fives and say, I got you. Say, I got you. Two more, say, I got you. Make sense? If that makes sense, say, yeah. If that makes sense, say, oh, yeah. So the game is Isaac Says, right? Real simple. So we're going to work as a team, hands together, right? And it's real simple, right? So you're going to do what I do and say what I say. You're going to do what? Do what I do and say what I say. You're going to do what? Very simple. There's only 4 things. So jump in. Right? Jump out. Jump in. Good. Jump out. Good. Jump left. Oh. Jump right. Good. Right? Make sense? All we're gonna do is speed it up just a little bit together. You guys ready? That's it. That's it. Make sense? Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Oh, come on, guys. Wait, so this weekend is all about following directions, right? It's real simple, right? Some of the most difficult things is just about following directions. Make sense? So we're gonna try it again. Real simple game. Jump in. Oh, do what I do and what? Ready? Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Come on, guys. All right. There's one more level to this. We're doing all right. There's one more level. One more level to it, right? So you're gonna do, hold on, I gotta get it right. You're gonna say what I say, right? And do the opposite. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Right? So you're gonna say, we're gonna say it, the same thing, and we're gonna do the opposite. Let's try one time. Ready? Jump out. Let's try it again. Jump out. So if I say jump out, where are we jumping? What are we saying when I say jump out? Where are we going when I say jump out? Jump in. We got this. Come on. We got this. Ready? Ready? Jump out. Jump in. Jump left. Jump right. Jump out. Jump in. Jump left. There we go. Jump right. Speed it up. Jump out. Jump in. Jump left. Jump right. Jump out. 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 We got it. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. Like Golden State, can we get 3 high fives? New people, 3 high fives. Say good job. Good job. Good job. Everybody good? All right, let's have a seat. Let's have a seat.